Let's see past perfect tense. Structure is subject plus had plus V3 plus object. See, subject plus had plus V3 plus object. See, for any personal pronouns, okay, you have to use had. Okay, I, we, they, any singular or plural, you have to use had. Okay, there is no difference. Okay, for any personal pronouns, you can use had plus V3. V3 means past participle. Past participle. Okay, see the condition. If two actions happened in the past, which action happened earlier than the other? See, there are two past actions. Just understand. There are two past actions. In the two past actions, which one is earlier? That means first action is you have to use in past perfect tense. The other action, okay, the other past action you have to use simple past tense. Understand? If there are two past actions, which one had done the earlier than other? Okay, that means first action. Which one first completed? Okay, that first action you have to use past perfect tense. The latter action, the second action, you have to use simple past tense. Okay, simple you can say. First action, past perfect. Okay, subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Second action, we have to use simple past tense. That is, you should remember. Okay, two actions happened in the past. Which action happened earlier than the other? Earlier than, that means the first action. Which one was completed first? That action should be in past perfect tense. The other, the second action, is should be in simple past tense. Let us see examples. When I reached the railway station, the train had already left. See, here there were two actions were happened. When I reached the railway station, okay, the train had already left. So here in the two actions, which one was happened first? The train had already left. When I reached the railway station, the train had already left. The train had left, right? So that action happened first. That means after train had left, he reached. The first action, the train had left. That's why you should write in past perfect tense. The train had already left. Subject had plus V3. Leave, left, left. Okay, already this is adverb, right? So, when there are two actions happened in the past, which one was completed first? That action should be past perfect tense. The other action should be simple past tense. That you must remember. Second one, I had written the letter before he arrived. Okay, so had written. This was happened first. Before he arrived. He arrived later. Right? So I had written the letter before he arrived. So here past perfect tense. This is simple past tense. The teacher had come. Had plus with. Before the bell rang. So the first action, the teacher had come. That is the first action. Raghu had played football before Ravi came. Same like. Okay. So this is the all about past perfect tense. I hope you understand. Thank you.